Factoring quadratic trinomial where a is equal to 1. In the expression x squared plus 7x plus 12, the value of a here is 1 because a is the numerical coefficient of x squared. The value of b is 7 because b is the numerical coefficient of x, and the value of c is 12. So how are you going to factor out x squared plus 7x plus 12? You are just going to think of two numbers. When multiplied, the answer is 12, and when added or combined, the answer is 7. So what are those two numbers? Yes, the numbers are 4 and 3. Because 4 times 3 is equal to 12 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the numbers are 4 and 3. Therefore, the factors of x squared plus 7x plus 12 are the quantity x plus 4 multiplied by the quantity x plus 3. And these are the factors. Another example. Suppose I have x squared plus x minus 12. So you are going to think of two numbers. When multiplied, the answer is negative 12 because c is equal to negative 12. And when combined or added, the answer is negative 1 because b here is equal to negative 1. So think of the two numbers. What are they? Yes, the numbers are 4, we have negative 4, and positive 3. Why? Because negative 4 times 3 is equal to negative 12, which is equal to c, and negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1, which is the value of b. Meaning to say, the factors of x squared minus x minus 12 is equal to, the numbers are negative 4 and 3, so we have x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 3. Another example, I have x squared minus 3x plus 2. So think of two numbers. When multiplied, the answer is 2, and when added or combined, the answer is negative 3. The numbers are, yes, the numbers are negative 2 and negative 1. Because negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2, and negative 2 plus negative 1 is negative 3. So the factors of x squared minus 3x plus 2 are quantity x minus 2 and x minus 1. Let's have another one. I have x squared plus 5x minus 24. So what are the two numbers? When multiplied, the answer is negative 4, and when combined, the answer is positive 5. The numbers are, yes, the numbers are positive 8 and negative 3. Because 8 times negative 3 is negative 24, and 8 plus negative 3 is positive 5. Which means that the factors of x squared plus 5x minus 24 are quantity x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity x minus 3. And then last example, if we have x squared minus 4x minus 21. Think of two numbers. When multiplied is equal to negative 21, and when added is equal to negative 4. The numbers are, we have negative 7 and positive 3. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21, and negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. So the factors of x squared minus 4x minus 21 are quantity x minus 7 and quantity x plus 3.